The word anatomy is derived from Latin word, Italian word, Greek word, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Greek word. The tricep brachii is a muscle located in which part of the body? Arm, leg, abdomen, back. The correct answer is option A, arm. The adrenal glands are located on the top of which organ? Liver, kidneys, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is option B, kidneys. The middle portion of the human sperm contains nucleus, proteins, centriole, mitochondria. The correct answer is option D, mitochondria. The memory power of the human brain is found in cerebrum, brain cavity, cerebellum, none of these. The correct answer is option A, cerebrum. The bones of the fingers and toes are known as carpals, tarsals, phalanges, metacarpals. The correct answer is option C, phalanges. Where is the pituitary gland located? Brain, neck, chest, abdomen. The correct answer is option A, brain. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic life-sustaining functions such as breathing and heart rate? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, cerebral cortex. The correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. In the digestive system, where does most of the absorption of nutrients occur? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus. The correct answer is option B, small intestine. Which part of the brain is responsible for emotions and behavior? Cerebrum, limbic system, brainstem, cerebellum. The correct answer is option B, limbic system. Which of the following parts of the brain controls body temperature and hunger? Thalamus, pons, cerebellum, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option D, hypothalamus. Which part of the nervous system is responsible for involuntary bodily functions like heartbeat and digestion? Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system, somatic nervous system. The correct answer is option C, autonomic nervous system. Where does fertilization typically occur in the human reproductive system? Fallopian tube, ovary, uterus, vagina. The correct answer is option A, fallopian tube. Which hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the body? Insulin, thyroxine, parathyroid hormone, estrogen. The correct answer is option C, parathyroid hormone. The outer zone of kidney is called medulla, cortex, pyramid, both A and B. The correct answer is option B, cortex. The inner zone of kidney is called medulla, cortex, pyramid, both A and B. The correct answer is option A, medulla. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints and reduces friction between bones? Cerebrospinal fluid, synovial fluid, lymphatic fluid, gastric juice. The correct answer is option B, synovial fluid. Which bone in the human body is often referred to as the collarbone? Femur, scapula, radius, clavicle. The correct answer is option D, clavicle. The voice box is also known as the larynx, trachea, pharynx, epiglottis. The correct answer is option A, larynx. Which type of muscle is involuntary and found in the walls of internal organs? Cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, nervous muscle, smooth muscle. The correct answer is option D, smooth muscle. Which hormone is responsible for regulating metabolism? Insulin, thyroxine, cortisol, estrogen. The correct answer is option B, thyroxine. The process of swallowing food is also known as respiration, mastication, deglutition, peristalsis. The correct answer is option C, deglutition. The condition where the bones in a joint are displaced from their normal alignment is called fracture, dislocation, sprain, arthritis. The correct answer is option B, dislocation. Which of the following is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress? Thyroxine, cortisol, melatonin, estrogen. The correct answer is option B, cortisol. The fight or flight response is associated with the release of which hormone? Adrenaline, estrogen, melatonin, oxytocin. The correct answer is option A, adrenaline. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes, platelets, leukocytes, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, erythrocytes. Which hormone is responsible for regulating salt and water balance in the kidneys? Insulin, aldosterone, thyroxine, melatonin. The correct answer is option B, aldosterone. The innermost layer of the heart is called epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, pericardium. The correct answer is option C, endocardium. The shoulder joint is an example of a hang joint, ball and socket joint, fjord joint, gliding joint. The correct answer is option B, ball and socket joint. Which one of the following layers provide outer covering to the heart? Myocardium, endocardium, pericardium, none of these. The correct answer is option C, pericardium. The line which divides the body into two equal right and left parts is called lateral, medial, medial line, none of these. The correct answer is option C, medial line. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordinating voluntary muscle movements and maintaining balance? Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, thalamus. The correct answer is option B,